Think it's time to call it quits. The kitchen tap is broken. Drip, 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 drip. Dirty dishes in the sink. We've been laying here for weeks, weeks, weeks. We're not talking anymore. It's like we're scared of trying. So different from when we started off. No, we're just like, think it's time to call it quit. Think it's time to call.
Take me back to Mexico. That can't cook sun would turn the sun. We're high on me, wanted to vibe with me. Take me back to Mexico. That can't cook sun would turn the sun. You were high on me, wanted to vibe with me.
Loving you was such a bliss. That is something I will miss.
Hi everyone, welcome back. That's the last time I vlogged. Maybe I can't quite keep track at the moment. That's why I paused for a minute so that I can get on top of all the videos that I've made. At the moment we are in Phong Nha. We have driven around a lot today on mopeds, but just look at this place. Like, it's just every new place that we come to, we're just all blown away by how beautiful it is. Like, each time it's more and more beautiful. I don't understand it. I really don't. If you're enjoying this type of content, guys, please, it would mean the world to me if you just click that like button. It's free, it takes a couple seconds, and it really genuinely helps me out with the old YouTube algorithm, so I'd appreciate that. But for tonight, I'm just going to enjoy the sunset and my food. I'm going to go back to